Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to remove watermark from the image just in one click. But the good thing is you don't need to sign up and you'll get full quality output image and it's totally free. So here I have a sample image and it has a pretty bad watermark in it. Let's just learn how to remove that. First of all, you need to go to your favorite browser and go to this website called watermarkremover.io. Then go ahead and click to upload image and select the image that you want to remove the watermark of. So I'm just going to select this and it will take a while, and bam, here we have it. The watermark is fully removed. So let's just download the image and let's just view it. So the watermark is almost completely removed. You can still see some imperfections, but we did it just in 1 second, right? So I think this is the best tool out there to remove the watermark automatically. Again, the website is watermarkremover.io, and here are all the supported format of the image. The maximum resolution that this website support is 2400 by 2400 pixels. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with the next one.